Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In our previous video, we covered how to create a Slow DNS account. If you haven't seen that one yet, make sure to check it out before continuing with this tutorial. Today we're diving into the next steps, setting up Slow DNS using TLS Tunnel VPN. Let's get started. Before we begin, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. Also, for more VPN updates and hidden tricks, check out my blog, link in the description. All right, let's jump in. First, open the Play Store on your device. Search for TLS Tunnel VPN and download the app. You'll also need to download the TLS Tunnel DNSTT plugin. Once both are installed, launch the TLS Tunnel VPN app. In the app, click on the server option labeled Automatic. Next, tap the gear icon next to Private Server. Enter your server details, address, port, username, and password. You should have saved these in a notepad earlier. Save the settings and select your private server. Now let's set up the connection method. Click the pencil icon next to connection method. In the bottom left corner, tap the small triangular icon to see the list of methods. Choose DNS Tunnel from the options. For the DNS Tunnel setup, select your connection type, UDP or DOT. For UDP, set port to 53 and DNS server to 8.8.8. For DOT, change the port to 853. Don't forget to enter your public key. Save these connection method settings. You're almost done. To start the VPN, simply click the Start button. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Slow DNS using TLS Tunnel VPN. Enjoy your secure and private browsing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.